fix the problem rather than getting angry about it for 10 years. You can get worked up about it, but it doesn't get you anywhere. You just get on with it. I just want to go over and make sure I can get the machine going. Damn, it's bad here too because of the stones.
Heine hired the tractor and driver for €75 an hour. Planter Jens Hummer has a tight schedule. The next farm is already waiting. Heine sends what's known as a grubber out onto the field. It's supposed to loosen the soil.
Perfect.
Yeah, it's completely different, isn't it? My ruler. Yes, perfect. Great. It worked.
The high-tech tractor drives across the field independently at 0.2 kilometres an hour. 4 satellites keep it on the right track via cell phone reception with a real-time positioning program accurate to 2 centimetres.
It's a really convenient workout because no one can drive as precisely as this system, accurate almost to the centimetre, for hours on end.